All right, scholars, our focus today is multiplying by 7. So we are going to work on counting by 7, okay? And we are going to count by 7 up to the number 70. So what that tells me, since that is a 10, we are going to count by 7 10 times. So if we are counting by 7, what number do we start with? Right, 7, exactly. So 7. Now what number would we add? Yeah, no mystery here, right? 7, 14. Now I said we are stopping at the number 70, okay? What number comes next? Good, 21. I'm just going to continue the rest because of time. 28, 35, 42, 49. What number would come after 49? 56, 63, and 70, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. We counted by 7 10 times. Now, what we are going to do to help us out is we are going to come up with the multiplication expression that matches each fact. So when we have 1, 7, we have one group of 7, right? Now, when we have 14, how many 7s do we have? Yeah, it's our second number. So we have 2 groups of 7. What would be our expression for this one here, 21? Yes, 3 groups of 7. Good, and we can just keep going, right? Because that's our pattern. We move up by 1 each time because we are adding groups of 7. When we count by 7, we add 7. Perfect. All right, so we're looking pretty good here. Now, we are going to work with coming up with a division equation that can match the multiplication equation that we create in each different group of 7, right? All right. Let's see what that means. So first, this box here is really saying that 3 groups of 7 is equal to 21, right? Because we just wrote the expression underneath our product, right? But in this equation, when we make this an equation, the answer is 21. We can do the same for these other ones, okay? So 6 groups of 7 is 42. And 9 groups of 7 is what? 63. But now we're going to try to make division equations from our multiplication equations. So right now we're thinking, what do we know about multiplication and division? What it means to multiply and what it means to divide. All right, so I know that division is when we split a number into equal groups. So we always start with the largest number, and that's the number we split. So I can do 21 split into, how many groups of 3? Sorry, how many groups of 7 give us 21? 3. 21 split into 3 gives us 7. I also could have done 21 split into 7 equals 3, right? Because of that commutative property. So let's do the same for 42. So we have 42 as our product in our multiplication equation. So in our division equation, 42 split into how many groups? We could say 6 groups gives us 7. Or you could have said 42 split into 7 groups gives us 6. All right, your turn. Do this with 63. All right, so I'll show you both possibilities for 63. Okay, so we have 63 split into 9 gives us 7. Or 63 split into 7 gives us 9. All right, mathematicians, you are going to continue this work when you work on your problem set today. Okay, so again, we are always thinking what it means to multiply and what it means to divide. And our special number today is 7. So we're thinking about those skip counts with 7, right? Add 7 each time. Okay? All right, continue your great work.